We have just created an app that makes it easier, faster, and cheaper for you to find services or offer services. One of the main attractions of MainSearch is that if you want to find a service, you don't have to individually call each business to find out about pricing or any other detail. You can use MainSearch to find out all of this just by speaking to one AI chat. Let me show you how it works. You begin on our landing page. This is where you can see more information, how many businesses we have, make your account, or even join as a business. You first log in or you make your account. This is the main screen of our platform. On the left is where you speak to the AI, and on the right is where the AI will show you all the business information and where it would find you the businesses. So you start by speaking to the AI and explaining your problem. In this instance, I would say that I have an iPhone 17 with a cracked screen. As soon as you say something which has to do with IT repair, the AI will show you matching businesses. This is the area where you see the businesses around you that offer services in IT repair. So as you can see, there's one business and another one. And here you can see information. But first, it's good to keep telling the AI the problem. The AI knows that for many iPhones, there are two options. There's OLED and LCD screens. So it would ask me which one would I prefer. And for this, I would say the LCD. Now the AI just asks a few more questions to gauge and understand the situation. This is important so that the business sees as much information. You can also attach an image of the problem in the chat, which would then be sent over to the business, and the business will use this to visually see the problem. One amazing feature of MainSearch is the ability to search online for parts. For this example, I said that I want LCD panel for an iPhone 17. Now that the AI knows this information, it will search online and it can give me an insight and show me how much it would actually cost just for the part. As you can see, it also shows the sources that I browsed online. So this is the part that I found. Now on the right is where you save a lot of time when it comes to using MainSearch. All of the businesses that will be in this section will each show a quote breakdown, meaning that with the labor pricing that is set by the business for a screen replacement, it will be shown here in the quote breakdown. So labor £60, this is set by the business on Main, and the part is £110, which was found by the AI, and then in total it's £170, meaning that me as the user, I just explain my problem to the AI and I can see some information about the business, and I can see the main price from the business. Another great feature is that you can choose your preferred date and time when you want the service to happen. So for example, I can do on Monday at 12:30, and this checks if the business has that time available. So as you keep scrolling down and you see more businesses, you see which one has that time available, which doesn't. This gives a great insight before making an appointment to see which time they are free. You can also use our multi-select tool. This is a great feature which lets you select more than one business to send an inquiry. For example, you can just scroll down, you select the business that looks appealing to you, has good reviews, good pricing, and then you ask for this code to be verified, meaning that they look at what you said to the AI and what the AI said, and this information is then sent to the businesses. They review the information and they will get back to you with an updated quote, or if they need more information, or if they can just accept it. And you saved a bunch of time by speaking to the AI and not having to call each business again and again to find out pricing. When you find a business and you want to see more information, you can just click choose this business, and it shows images set by the business, basic information, maybe pictures of the shop that they have, Then it has the reviews, and it's all linked to the actual Google reviews account or the Trustpilot. Our aim is to be as transparent as possible, so that the user sees who is this business, what they do. As you ask the business to verify, it will be sent over to them, and you can go to your quote verifications page. The quote verifications page is the center of where you have sent all your quote verifications, meaning that every inquiry that you send will be here. You can track it. You can even contact the business. So if you send the quote verification and you forgot to tell them something else, you can send them more info or any other details. As you can see, the business has now accepted my quote, and I can now contact them to give more information. I can also just see the business profile again. It was that easy. All I had to do is speak to the AI. It then did all the work for me, found the businesses that I needed, gave me the prices, and now all I have to do is just bring the business my phone. How do you join as a business? Well, it's really simple. All you have to do is join as a business, scroll down, create your free business account, see our business plans. We have an offer for the starting plan, which gives you not 5 but 10 free inquiries per month, which means 10 free clients per month at no extra cost. You fill in the business name, company registration number. You can select the type of business that you are, which for me, I am IT repair. After you're done with your account creation, you will then be welcomed to our dashboard. Here you can see all the features that we offer for businesses, such as a messaging center, quotation templates. So for example, you can put on your quotation a template. You also have your calendar, which you can fill in with new bookings, with the customer name and so forth. You have your analytics, which shows me the full dashboard of information about my business. You can manage your subscription, your pricing for each service that you have. You can also manage your reviews and ratings. So if you change your profile, you can just connect it here and it will all be done for you.